Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As you can see that beautiful cherry blossom blooming, and also I can see lots of delicious strawberries at farm market. I bought lots of strawberry and I decided to make a beautiful delicious dessert which I never tried. It's called Ricotta Blintzes. So this is first time I'm trying and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Let's start. So I take 1 cup of flour, shift the flour into a large bowl. Whisk 2 eggs. Now I'm going to add 1 1/4 cup of fresh milk to the egg mixture. And then mix them well with egg batter. Now gradually adding it to the flour and make a smooth batter and make sure that it's free of lumps. So add melted butter, and once your batter is ready, set aside for 30 minutes, and you can transfer this batter to a jug or any other pot if you want to. For the filling, I take 60 gram of raisins, 375 gram of ricotta cheese. So first I am using ricotta cheese. Add 1/3 cup of custard sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 60 gram raisins, and 20 gram of unsalted melted butter. Now what I'm doing that I'm going to use cooking spray to my pan, and pan need to be really heated, and then I'm going to take 1 large scoop of batter to make a crepe. With this 1 cup of flour I can make more than 14 crepes. If you are trying to make this first time, do not upset if it doesn't look like round shape, but I think when you do it, it will be fine. So one side is done, so I'm going to turn it other way. Just wait maybe not more than 20 seconds, it will be fine. So I'm going to make all the crepe. So I'm adding 1 1/2 tablespoon of cheese filling and wrapping it just like the way we make spring roll. Now I am using melted butter to grease 13 by 9 inch oven proof dish and gradually placed all the ricotta cheese blintzes I made on this tray. Oven should be preheated 315 Fahrenheit and we should bake not more than 15 minutes. I covered it with kitchen foil. Let's wait. So my ricotta cheese blintzes is ready and now I'm going to garnish it with fresh strawberry and icing sugar. I hope you found this recipe easy and I'm sure you are going to try it at home. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you with next video. By this time, stay safe and blessed. Bye.